Come test drive the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.